to Soorya Tech. In today's video, we'll explore the ESP32, a powerful microcontroller that's perfect for beginners. By the end of this video, you'll know what the ESP32 is, how to set it up, and run your very first program. The ESP32 is a versatile microcontroller that combines Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and powerful processing in a small, affordable package. It's perfect for IoT projects, home automation, robotics, and more. To get started, you'll need an ESP32 board, a USB cable, a computer, and the Arduino IDE installed. If you don't have the Arduino IDE yet, check out the link in the description to download and set it up. Open the Arduino IDE. First, install the ESP32 board support package. Go to File Preferences, and add this URL to the additional board manager URLs. Insert URL. Then, go to Tools Board Manager, search for ESP32, and install it. Now let's write our first program, a simple LED blink. Select your board and port from the Tools menu, then click the Upload button. Once it's done, you'll see the built-in LED on your ESP32 blinking. If the code doesn't upload, check your USB cable, select the correct COM port, and hold the boot button while uploading. Congratulations! You've just written your first program on the ESP32. This is just the beginning. Next, we'll dive into connecting sensors, controlling devices, and building amazing IoT projects. Don't forget to like, subscribe,